So, what's new about this group? The new window option in this group allows you to duplicate the current window. The duplicated windows go with the title, Book 1:1, Book 1:2, and so on. If you delete the data from the original window, it gets deleted from the duplicate ones as well. The Arrange All option allows you to view the open windows in different layouts like tiles, horizontal, vertical, cascade, etc. The Freeze Panes option allows you to keep a particular selection visible while the rest of the worksheet scrolls. This option is a real saver when you are working on huge-sized data. The Split option in the Windows group allows you to split or break the worksheet into various categories. After doing so, you can scroll in these categories individually to view the desired data while the rest of the worksheet remains static. The Hide and Unhide options give you the freedom of hiding the windows that you don't wish to view while working. Less the crowd on the screen, the better. The View Side-by-Side option allows you to keep multiple windows open on the screen at the same time. But you may or may not want the scrolling action to happen on two windows at the same time. Use the synchronous scrolling option according to your requirement. You can arrange multiple windows on the screen if you want. To return to the original arrangement, click on Reset Window Position option. Clicking the Switch Windows option allows you to jump from one window to another while working.